Catastrophic flooding of paddy fields with standing crops at Sabam Lokol under Lamlai constituency in Imphal East district has made many farmers wary about uncertain future. A vast tracts of paddy fields have been completely submerged underwater due to the widespread flooding in the area since yesterday morning. As such, farmers in the area, especially the tenant farmers who are dependent on good harvest for their livelihood, are worried whether their sweat and toil will turn futile as the paddy crops reach its flowering stage. Meanwhile, political activist Sapam Kangleipal decried that the lackadaisical attitude of the government from time to time has only exacerbated the woes of the farmers. Speaking to reporters on the sidelines of inspecting the flood situation in Kharason area, he alleged that no government authority has ever taken up any significant measure to curtail the long-standing flood issue in the paddy fields. He went on to maintain that the tenant farmers would be left out at the time of providing crop compensation by the government, and the same will be entertained only by the landowners.
Manipur je thakpa ngamiba adugumba akoigi local ne haitare chauraba local ne adu sigi local je ngasidi umang mangani akoi lawju lokpa yaroiba sigi chendabam ju leite sigi singji iril da chendagidabni iril je hujik adugamna ising imai nemdobo oidri wahal laga thamba angam matawjingna mayum dolan saraga chatkiba aduga aikoi myamna sungwaraga lehobugi fibam judaida akoi lamlai je ngasi ju leiri Manipur si yaifa batunglam chatama semji haragadi sigi sabam lokon je mapung phana pothok pa lokol lama ohelaba matamda Manipur je chinjak tami pan tangdaba nation nama soidna oibu ngamgani aduna hojik wari bisidai da su atuba matamda mari leina bisingda miyeng changbiyu